Thank y'all so much for tuning back into my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie. Listen, I am your angelic intuitive soul healer, and I am here. I'm going to be talking about the Archangel Puriel. Okay, so this particular archangel is often regarded as an angel of divine justice, right? Guidance and protection. Now, this particular archangel is not widely known as some of the more famous archangels like Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, but Puriel plays an important role in spiritual traditions, okay? Now, particularly in mystical or esoteric teachings, okay? So the name Puriel, it means the fire of God or the flame of God, reflecting his association with purity, divine illumination, and the power of transformation. His energy is said to help purify negativity and help you to elevate your soul, okay? Bringing clarity, wisdom, and strength to those who call upon him, right? Because we have the power. Our angels are sent to serve us, right? So let's talk about it, because a lot of people don't believe in the ministry of the angels. So I'm going to be on here and I'm going to be talking to people that are elevated, okay, in the higher spiritual realms, all right? They sit in heavenly places, okay? So these are the people that I'm talking to. I'm talking to the people that want to learn how to, get their angels to pretty much serve them, because it is your birthright, and Christ died that we might have life and we have it more abundantly, okay? So I'm going to be talking about some things that are outside, of what you have pretty much been taught, or things that you may not have ever heard about these things. But I'm going to come on here and I'm going to teach y'all about the higher spiritual realms in the Most High, because there is another realm, right? That is higher than this realm that we exist in. All right. We know also that his kingdom, y'all, is not of this world. Okay. So I'm talking to the people that are elevated. I'm talking to the elevated souls that want to grow more. Okay. And get into the angel of his presence. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you this information that God has given to me. I'm going to share it with y'all. I'm not going to gatekeep, okay? Because I ain't no hater. So listen to this. I want to see you grow in God. I want to see you elevate, and I want to see you ascend, all right? So listen to this. Now, Puriel is often depicted as a powerful and radiant figure with a strong connection to the natural world, particularly fire, okay? And it is said that this particular archangel, okay, will help individuals in time of great need, especially when they are undergoing trials that require them to have inner strength and courage. So the presence of this particular archangel is believed to inspire, okay, it will inspire individuals to stand firm. You got to learn how to stand firm in your convictions, right? You got to make righteous decisions, and you have to act with integrity. So this is the role and the attribute of this particular archangel, right? So this particular archangel Puriel is associated also with cleansing negative energies and fostering a sense of renewal. Much like how fire transforms matter, Puriel helps you to transform your inner struggles and challenges into opportunities for spiritual growth, okay? Also, divine justice and protection. Puriel's role as a protector and enforcer of divine justice helps to guide individuals through difficult situations, ensuring that fairness and divine will prevail, okay? Now, this particular archangel, you can actually ask for this archangel to assist you, okay, for protection against harm, particularly during times of conflict or when facing adversities, okay? Also, the energy of this archangel is believed to help people summon courage and to be more courageous, like I said. So, especially when you feel uncertain, when you feel overwhelmed, Puriel encourages people to be brave in the face of challenges, okay, and to maintain their integrity and spiritual path, all right? Now, let's talk about it. Because also Puriel can provide individuals with wisdom and insight, helping them see the bigger picture and understand the spiritual lessons embedded in life's challenges, okay? Now, so if you need guidance in matters requiring discernment and clear decision making, so listen, you can seek to connect with Archangel Puriel, okay? This Archangel may be invoked, okay? You may invoke his assistance through prayer or meditation. All of your angels that are meant to serve you. They are ministers sent to serve those who are going to inherit salvation. You got a whole army that's backing you, okay? So I'm here to teach you about your angel armies, right? So listen, because I'm part of the army and I teach y'all to go from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light, right? Now, a common practice involves calling on Puriel to bring light, understanding, and strength during times of difficulty, okay? Many practitioners, I'm going to say this because I'm a spiritual practitioner, believe that the presence of this archangel can be felt as a warm, comforting energy, okay? Similar to the feeling of sunlight or the glow of a flame, okay? Now, also, Archangel Puriel is a spiritual figure, as I stated, associated with purification, divine justice, inner strength, and this particular archangel, okay, has transformative power, which will help individuals to overcome challenges so that you can grow spiritually, okay? So whether you are facing like an external conflict or internal turmoil, okay, Puriel's energy often offers, both protection and the courage to move forward on a path of righteousness, okay? So that's just a little bit about Puriel. So that is really, I just wanted to really talk about the role and the attributes of Puriel, but also how you can invoke this particular archangel and connect with this particular archangel Puriel. So y'all do y'all due diligence, okay? I want y'all to go and do y'all research about Puriel, and this is an angel that will that you can connect with, okay? So you got to understand here that God sent his angels, okay, the Malaks, the sent ones, to serve you. So angels, they do have an important role, okay? So you got to understand that they do God's bidding, okay? He said that he will command his angels, not just one, angels with an S, concerning you, and it's to help guard you in all of your ways, okay? Satan told Jesus, if you are the Son of God, he said, throw yourself down. Throw yourself down. And what did he always say? He said, for it is written, he will command his angels concerning you. He said that they will lift you up in their hands, okay? Because see, I'm the sacrifice that went wrong, right? And when people tried to sacrifice me, when they wanted me dead, when they put their mouth on me, my angels came and they lifted me up in their hands, right? They are the ones, okay? God sent them to help me, to protect me, so that I would not strike my foot against a stone. So the Most High gave me this information. I'm sharing it with y'all. Whether you want to take it, and if you don't, leave it where it's at. If this ain't for you, then it ain't for you, okay? If you're not into esoteric teachings in the higher spiritual realms of the Most High, listen, he the one led me here. So listen, I'm going to be back, y'all, because I'm going to be talking about Japhael, okay? Which means divine beauty, okay? I'm going to be talking about that archangel as well, okay? And I got a whole lot more I want to talk about too, okay? That's part of the army. Yeah. I'm going to be talking about it. so you can understand who you are in God, so you can grow. You want to grow in the 32 paths of wisdom, okay? And you want to get the keys, the secret mysteries. You want to know the mysteries of the Most High. I'm finna give it to you. Yeah, that's what we finna do over here. So listen, also, it says, are not the angels ministering spirits? They're ministering spirits. And they are sent to serve who? They're sent to serve those who will inherit salvation. My angels were sent to serve me, okay? They was all around me when I was going through my spiritual transformation and my spiritual awakening, and I went through a death, okay? Yeah, I went through a death and a rebirth, okay? And I was reincarnated. I sure was. Back to this earth, all right? The earthly realm. So that I can teach y'all down here, right? As a light worker, right? Because I got work to do. I got people to serve. I got places to be. And I got to show up for individuals that need me. That's the only reason why I'm here. That's it. That's it, y'all. So listen to this. It says, just like, do you know God, he even sent y'all an angel to shut the mouths of the lions. Okay. Do you know that God will send the angels to shut some people's mouths when it's concerning you? He will shut these people up, okay? They won't even talk about your name. They won't even speak on your name. They won't even say nothing about you, because he'll send the angels to shut people up when it concerns you, okay? So listen to this. He said, I am sending an angel before you, okay? Along the way, to protect you along the way, and to bring you to the place I have prepared for you. Okay, because there is a prepared place. There is a prepared place. Okay, and this is why he said where I am. Okay, he said I will come and bring you where I am. Because there he was going to prepare a place for us, right? The people that was going to inherit salvation. Okay. He said, Daniel was like, they have not hurt me, the lions, for I was found innocent in his sight. And I have done no wrong against you. Okay? He was talking to, he said, oh, king, I have done no wrong. Okay? Against you. You can even see where Jacob had a dream about a ladder that rested on the earth, with its top, y'all, reaching up to heaven. And God's angels were going up and down the ladder. Up and down the ladder. Go read that lost book. Okay? Go read that book. Because your Bible is more than 66 books. I hate to be the one to tell you the truth, but it is. Okay? So some of this information that God has given to me, you're not going to find this information in the Bible, okay? That's why wisdom is like going on a treasure hunt. You have to seek her out, wisdom, because she teaches you all things, right? She is the mother. Go read the Apocrypha and the Lost Books, okay, about Mother Wisdom. You can go back, and I did a whole video about wisdom and what it truly is, okay? Because we know that the Bible, they had burnt up so many books of the Bible, and they added to and they took away, okay? Now, you got to be the one to use discernment when you read it, so you can understand what's true and what's not, okay? Because they did add the Roman Catholic Church. All religions originated from Rome. Listen. So listen to this, y'all. So I was talking about how God, he was going to, just like he shut the mouth of the lions, okay? God is going to shut some people's mouths when it concerns you, okay? Even Matthew 18:10 says, see that you do not look down on any of these little ones. He said, for I tell you that their angels in heaven always see the face of my Father in heaven, right? So all throughout this word, y'all, you can see where the angel of the Lord had appeared. And when they appeared, the light had shone. The light was shining. Okay. Okay. Light was shining. I'm not lying. Even Jesus said, I, Jesus, have sent my angel to give you this testimony for the churches. That he was the what? The root and the offspring of David, the bright morning star. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who what? Who fears him. And then what does he do? He will deliver them. Okay, that's why I teach y'all about spiritual warfare through my story, how to break generational curses, pull down strongholds, and break free from addiction. Because why? God is the one. I'm just the messenger. Okay. He said, in all their distress, in all my distress, listen, it says he was afflicted too. He too was afflicted in all my distress, and the angel of his presence saved them. Don't you know the angel of his presence will save you in your distress? It says, and in his love and compassion, he redeemed them. And then after he redeemed them, what did he do? He lifted them up and carried them all the days of old. In Isaiah 63 and 9. He carried them all the days of old. Even the angel had showed Joshua, the high priest, okay, standing before the angel of the Lord. And guess what? We can see here that with Satan standing at his right hand. Satan always going to be standing at the right hand. Okay? To accuse you. and what did God say? He said to Satan, the Lord rebukes you, Satan. Even the Lord rebuke you. Indeed. The Lord, it's him who has chosen Jerusalem. Rebukes you. You can see all throughout scripture, y'all, that, listen, the angel even had told Elijah, had touched him. Don't you know the angel will touch you and will tell you to get up and eat? When I was going through grief and loss, okay, the angel had to touch me and tell me to get up and eat because I didn't eat for days. Weeks, months, years, because I was fasting and weeping and mourning before God. Okay? From heartbreak. So listen, y'all, I'm done. I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back. And, listen, it is what it is. I'm just here to be the Malak, the sent one, to deliver these messages to y'all so that y'all can have access to the higher spiritual realms. That's why I created Earth Angel Academy, y'all. And Soul Healing Academy. So I could teach y'all how to heal all your natural problems with spiritual solutions. And so you can grow in your relationship with your angels, right? So you can have heaven here on earth, because there is a such thing as having heaven on earth. And maybe you haven't experienced that, but I have. Okay? There is heaven on earth. So listen, I love y'all. I'm going to be back, y'all, because I got more things to teach y'all. Okay? More things to say. I got a lot of information and downloads that I have to release into this earthly realm right now. So that's what I'm here to do.